Okay, hi guys, good morning. And andito tayo ngayon para pag-usapan yung mga best top bank of the Philippines na malalaki interest o di kaya magandang paglalagyan ng pera, whether OFW kayo, o di kaya small business owner, o di kaya nag-iipon for retirement fund or emergency fund or depende sa goals nyo. Okay, so andito yung video ngayon para i-share yung knowledge sa base sa mga na-research natin, yung magagandang bangko sa Pilipinas na medyo magaganda yung high return interest rates and paano i-avail o paano mag-open ng account, um, kung paano yung initial deposit, magkano, and whether OFW kayo o di kaya different kinds of job, and alam ko na magagamit nyo ito. Okay, so simulan na natin. And before that, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like, share, and subscribe Kawalizi para ma-update ko po kayo sa mga susunod na videos natin. Okay, so simulan na natin guys. Ito yung savings account and um, dati kasi yung mga traditionally sa mga ninuno natin, lahat ating lang pera is nilalagay sa piggy bank. So piggy bank guys is hindi siya masyadong nagbibigay in return. Na maglalagay lang ng pera, dalawa lang pwedeng mangyari niyan. Dadami siya pero hindi siya tutubo. Okay? So wala siyang interest. Okay? Yun yung um, na nabibigay ni bangko na interest na wala kay piggy bank. Okay? Pero okay pa naman sa piggy bank pag um, just in case may mga pera kayong gustong kunin, okay talaga siya. Okay, so simulan na natin ngayon sa mga bank na medyo okay siya and government bank. Okay, so ito siya si Landbank of the Philippines. So ano bang magkagandahan ni Landbank of the Philippines, guys? Si Landbank guys is owned and governed by the government. Okay, so the more na nabibigay natin yung pera natin kay Land Bank, meaning to say, nagagamit sa gobyerno na yung mga different kinds of systems or different kinds of projects yung pera nyo. Okay? So, hindi siya gaano kalakihan ng interest rates pero at least nakakatulong yung pera nyo para sa mga operational activities sa buong Pilipinas. Okay? So, yung interest rates ni Land Bank guys is 0.10%. Hindi siya gaano kalakihan pero okay naman. Okay, so minimum initial deposit is 500 pesos lang and required minimum monthly is 500 pesos. Then, yung required daily balance to earn interest rates para magkakaroon kayo ng interest rates is 2,000 pesos. Yun lang. Okay? So, diretso tayo kay BDO. Okay. So, si BDO Optimum Savings Account is under siya ng BDO, guys. Okay. So, is offering the BDO Unibank Incorporation, Incorporated, that gives savers higher interest rates as they deposit more money. The accounts allows withdrawal up to 3 times amount free of charge. Okay, so meaning to say, pag nag-open kayo ng bangko dito sa PDO na ito nga, Optimum Savings Account. Okay, so meron siyang interest rates na 1.25%. Okay, so punta lang kayo sa BDO na mga bangko, sabihin nyo lang mag-open kayo ng BDO Optimum Savings Account. Then, yung initial deposit niya guys, medyo may kalakihan talaga. 30,000 pesos and yung balance earned interest rates para makabil kayo ng 30,000 para makabil kayo ng interest rates na 1.25%, kailangan hindi bababa yung pera yung 30,000. Okay? So, pag meron kayong mga emergency fund o emergency na paghuhugot na ng pera, huwag niyong kunin dito sa naitabi yung pera. Okay? So, yan sa BDO. Okay? So, i ano natin guys, i-break down. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo kumita for 1 million pesos within 10 years, okay? So, kailangan nyo lang talaga maglagay monthly na payment, okay, sa 7,914.23 cents, okay? So, 7,914, um, walang kaltas yan for 10 years. Talagang from January, February, March, April hanggang December. Then, ginagawa nyo yan for 10 years. Parang nalalaan kayo ng pera niyan. 7,914. For 10 years, yan guys, magiging 1 million yan. Okay? Pwede na kayong mag-invest ng negosyo, yung bahay. Kung meron naman kayong sahod sa abroad na 40,000 pesos, okay, at kayong mag-support yan ng family nyo. Hindi kaya, 7,914 for 10 years is savings naman talaga siya guys. And then, tutubo siya kasi may may percentage interest rates talaga na 1.25. Okay? Rest assured. Okay, so punta tayo sa number 3 kay Security Bank e-secure savings account. Okay? So punta lang kayo sa Security Bank, then just approach the teller na mag-open kayo ng banko na e-secure savings account. Okay, so gives a tiered interest rates depending on your balance. The higher savings, the higher interest you enjoy. Okay, so interest rate is 0.50 to 1.20. Okay, 1.20. Your initial deposit niya is 500 pesos. Balanced interest rate is 5,000 pesos. Okay, so sa 1 year, kailangan nyo lang come up to 100,000 initial deposit. Huwag ka mag-alala guys, yung 100,000 deposit, pera nyo naman yan. Makukuha nyo yan basta-basta kung gusto nyo. Yung inaano lang natin ngayon is just in case na meron kayong goal na meron kayong 1 million pesos na gusto nyong makuha within 10 years, okay? Kailangan nyo mag-top up na ng 100,000. Tapos yung monthly nyo is 7,149.62 cents. Okay, so good for 10 years, maging 1 million ang pera nyo. Okay, so just to break down sa pera na gusto nyo i-open. Okay, yan yung Security Bank. Okay, so punta tayo sa number 4. Okay, BPI, Family Savings Bank's Advanced Savings Account with Passbook. Okay, so ito siya is under the BPI companies. Meron siyang passbook na Philippine Islands Family Savings allows you to have faster returns on deposit. You can deposit your money and use interest ahead of time. It has a higher interest rate than regular savings account. Interest goes up to 1.50% when balance reaches 1 million or higher. Okay? So interest rates niya is 1%. Okay? Initial deposit is 100,000 pesos and balance and interest rates is 100,000 pesos then. And then, yun nga, parehas kay security, mag-top up lang yun ng 100,000 just para makakuha kayo ng interest rates ora-orata. And, huwag kayo mag-alala guys, pera nyo naman yan. And then, for goal for 10 years, meron kayong 1 million, mag-top up lang kayo ng pera ng 7,180.96 cents. Good for 1 year. Okay, so maging 1 million yan. Okay, diretso tayo kay number 5, kay Security Bank Premium Build Up Savings Account. Okay, so under pa rin siya kay Security Bank. Okay, so Security Bank Corporation is for people who don't want to be locked in and would still enjoy better interest rates in traditional savings account. The initial deposit start is 50,000 pesos with interest rates of 1%. So, yung interest rates niya guys is 1% lang. And then, initial deposit is 50,000. Para makabil kayo sa interest rates, kailangan nyo ng pera ng 50,000 pesos. Okay, so breakdown na naman natin. And top up lang kayo ng 50,000 at first. And then, from first year until 10 years, hulog lang kayo sa account nyo ng 7,588.87 cents. Okay? 7,588.87 cents. Walang palaya na. Every month, kailangan nyo maghulog. Good for 10 years. Okay, so that's equivalent for 1 million pesos. Meron kayong pera dyan. Okay, so let's move to Sterling Bank of Asia, Bayani OFW. Okay, ito siya guys. Sterling Bank of Asia, Bayani OFW Savings. Okay, so is a type of account intended for Filipinos working abroad. It has relatively high interest rates and no required initial deposit, and it comes with an ATM card. Okay, pag nag-open kayo ng bangko sa Sterling Bank of Asia, meron siyang OFW savings account featured sa mga tao na abroad. Okay, so napaka-friendly niya guys kasi meron siyang ATM card at wala siyang initial deposit na kailangan yung required para maka-avail kayo sa interest rates na 1% is kailangan nyo lang um, mag-total yung pera nyo ng 2,000 pesos. Okay? So, affordable naman and okay naman talaga siya. And breakdown natin for pag 10 years na kayo sa abroad, okay, sa abroad and then gusto nyo kumita na 1 million and of course, malaki naman sahod nyo. And mag-monthly lang kayo for 10 years ng 7,996.78. Walang palaya rin guys every month. So, magiging 1 million yan for 10 years. 7,996.78. Okay, direkta tayo kay Citibank e-saving account. Okay, so Citibank's e-saving account is allows you to enjoy high interest rates with convenience of managing account via the online portal. You're also given free unlimited fund transfer to other Citibank CASA. Okay, yung interest niya guys is 0.75%. Initial deposit wala, hindi mention. And balance interest rates is 100,000 pesos. Okay? So top up na naman kayo ng 100 pesos at first kasi kailangan niya ng 100,000 pesos para yung pera nyo may interest na. Okay? So within 10 years, kailangan nyo lang maghulog ng pera 7,259.76 monthly. Okay? So good for 10 years, maging 1 million siya. Okay, so number 8 guys is BPI Advanced Savings Account with Passbook. Okay, so under pa rin siya ng BPI companies, features quick return in your deposit and higher interest rates compared to regular savings account. You can also earn advance every deposit, enjoy seamless account management through their online banking system. Okay, madali lang kasi online siya nang go-operate. And then top up na naman kayo ng 100,000 pesos para maka-gain kayo ng 0.75% na interest rate. Okay, so let's move to number 9 kay Citibank Peso High Rate Saver Account. So, ito siya is offers market leading interest rates from 0.70% to 0.85%. The higher the balance that remains in the account, the higher the interest you're going to earn. There's no fixed term to worry about. Balance inquiry is available over 13,000 ATMs worldwide and you can manage your account online platform. Okay, so walang hassle. Kasi kailangan nyo lang pwedeng i-manage yung pera nyo sa online lang. Okay, so yung interest na sabi niya is 0.70 70% to 85%. Okay, medyo malaki talaga. And balance can earn interest in is 100,000 pesos. Okay, so top up na naman kayo ng 100,000 pesos para maka-avail kayo sa interest ni um, Citibank. Okay, so every month para maging um, 1 million ang pera nyo, good for 10 years is settle lang ang pera ng 7,275.60. And that's for 10 years, magiging 1 million siya. Okay, so let's move forward guys. The last but not the least. Okay, The last but not the least is Equicom ATM savings account. Okay, offers an interest rate of 0.50% per year. It features a really low initial deposit, 2,000 pesos, as well as 5,000 pesos required balance earned interest rate. The account comes with ATM, debit card, which can use to withdraw any Equicom, Banknet, Expressnet, Migalink, and Visa Plus ATM. So interest rate niya is 0.50%. Initial deposit is 2,000. Balance to earn interest is kailangan nilang 5,000, which is affordable naman talaga. Okay? So, for 10 years guys, para meron kayo 1 million pesos is kailangan nyo lang medyo malaki siya. Kailangan nyo lang ng 8,163, okay, points 78. Okay, that's with the interest rates. For 10 years, magiging 1 million siya. Okay? I think na-cover na natin lahat guys, yung mga top best when it comes to high interest rates. Sana'y na-inform ko po kayo sa magagandang information natin. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kabali is. And comments down below. And don't forget to like and share our Facebook. And of course, the upcoming Instagram page. Okay? So yun lamang po guys. Thank you for listening. And sana'y nakatulong. Salamat.